early. It is. I woke up when it started with 3. It's 4:04. I'm tired.
Hey man, ready to go? Why are you looking like that?
She's just making that up. She's like, oh hey, I'm so cheery. Oh, I'm tired. Do they have beds on this airplane?
It's been a long time since I flew United, but I don't think so.
I wish they had beds. So I think that the couple in the car with us were real excited. For some reason, this time in the morning, I think they were going to Disneyland or somewhere dipped in gold based on how excited they were.
I think they just met or something. Like, it's a family, but he clearly has not been in the picture long. Weird.
They might be European. That's why they're excited. Can't even look at my ID.
No, they didn't.
I think it's the first time I can remember that ever happening. They didn't look at my ID. I wouldn't look at mine either. Thank you, TSA, for a lovely experience. Got through no problems, no pat downs. Everything was good.
You didn't even have to x-ray.
Amanda, on the other hand, no, I'm just joking. We like to do thumbs up. That would be Amanda wearing a kid's backpack. They have something with s'mores, which looks good. I like s'mores. I'll probably get what I normally get though. Probably get a latte. That's why they call me Latte Lomas. Isn't that right?
Latte?
Thank you. I went with what I always get. Grande vanilla latte is good. I asked for it extra hot. I think it's closer to extra regular, but
I was coming back into work.
Clark, this one's for you, buddy. That guy just said go Hawks. That's what I'm talking about. Amanda got oatmeal. I got Popeyes. You can get your chicken 2 ways. One is regular, the other is spicy. I think there's really only one answer. My server was shady. They were shady. It's a fancy dog.
How's it going?
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. The sun's coming up. We're getting on an airplane. Man, I just don't like mornings. Coffee's starting to kick in. Maybe moving to the Eastern time zone will help me wake up. I don't anticipate it. Stay tuned on that. We're on the plane. One complaint. there's no room between my knee and the seat. It's like actually touching. What'd you think of the flight?
Well, it's done, so I got a little nap. That's good.
I didn't get a nap.
Oh, well, it's because you watched a movie.
Yeah, it's because I was real uncomfortable. We're on a bus going to a different terminal.
Yeah.
Probably can't even hear me. It's really loud behind me. That bird is in the airport. On our way to the next flight. Should be in Rochester in about an hour. My allergies are going crazy. I've been sneezing a lot. It's not very fun. Not taking it. Not a bad rental. The color's really cool. It's like a gray brown. Oh, really? Well, we are checked into the hotel, unpacked, and now Amanda and I are on our way to Annie's house. We're gonna go have dinner over there. Annie's the mother of the bride. I don't know why I said it like that. Everybody just got over here to Annie's house. We're getting ready to have a little bit of dinner. The day's kind of winding down. A little family chill time. So I think this is my opportunity to sign off for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share it with your friends. Make sure to tell someone Happy 4th of July. And we'll see you.